Hello, in front of me I've got Honor X7. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display and brightness, and as you can see right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change brightness level manually or via automatic brightness. Next we can change color mode and temperature between normal and vivid, custom, default, warm or cool. Next we can change sleep time between 15 seconds or never, enable or disable eye comfort mode, schedule it, enable all day and change filter level. Then we can enable or disable ebook mode, dark mode, change text and display size, screen refresh rate between dynamic, high or standard, and in more display settings you can manage full screen display for apps, hide notch, enable or disable carrier name for status bar, and display network speed. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.